Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Deel Action Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on install. Right here, click on allow and install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your document to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. Right here we have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Here we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on the start setup button and you're going to head over to your Deel account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on more. From the drop down menu, you're going to click on developer. On the developer page, you're going to click on generate new token and you're going to enter a label to name your token. And here you're going to choose if it's actually an organization token or a personal token. Once you're done, click on next. In here, you're going to choose a scope for your API token. Click again on next. Click again on next. And click on generate. Perfect. Our token has successfully been generated. So we're simply going to click on the copy icon and copy our token. Head over back to your account and enter your token. Click on complete setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the level of support center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. Here, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.